Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Craftycorn. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Craftycorn, let's begin with the nose. So we're going to start right here, and we're just going to make a line that's going to come out, and then we're going to curve it back like this. Next, inside of there, let's make two little marks. Then I'm going to bring this line up and curve it down. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down. Now for the mouth, let's draw a line that's going to go down, and then we're going to bring this up here in like a big smile. Then for the tongue, let's go ahead and draw a line that curves up and down with a little line right here. Now, let's make the eyes. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and then down. And we'll put a small circle inside of here. Now over here, let's draw a line that curves up. And then we'll make a line that's going to come over and then up to here. And then we'll put a circle in here. And I'll put a little line right here. Now let's make the hair. Let's begin by drawing a line that's going to come down and then up. And then we're just going to go over here to the top of the eye and bring it back. And then we'll curve one more time right here. Now before we finish off this side of the hair, let's make the ear. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to curve out, then we're going to come up. Next, we're just going to curve this down. We'll make a little sad face for the inside of the ear, and then we'll draw a line that goes up and down to finish it off. Now to continue with the hair, let's make a line that's going to curve up, we're going to come down, and then go up and down again. Then we have to make the horn. To make the horn, let's draw a line that's going to go up and then down. You can see it's kind of rounded instead of really pointy. And then we'll curve it for the bottom, and then add two more little curves for some details. Then over here, let's just make a little bump for that second ear. Now for the cheeks, let's draw a line that's going to curve out. We're going to come down here, really close to the mouth. Then we're going to bring this line up and curve it in. Then we'll connect it right here. Now, starting here, let's make the little flower necklace. So I'm going to begin by making a small circle shape. Then I'm going to make some bumps around here. I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 right around there. Then we'll make a line here and a line here for the necklace. Now let's make the arm. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to curve down. We're going to make it nice and round, and then we're going to bring it up here, kind of like a teardrop shape. Then we're going to add a small curve here. Now for the stomach, I'm just going to draw a line that curves out and then back in. And then for this arm, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve out and then back around. We'll make a little curve here. And then let's just put a small oval shape right here. Now for the legs, let's draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to curve it around and up. And a line here that's going to go down. We'll curve it around and bring it back. We'll make a curve here, and then a little curve here. Now let's come up here and finish off the hair. We'll begin by drawing a line that's going to curve down. And then we'll make a line that's going to go out and back in. And then one more out and then back in. Now let's finish this off by drawing the tail. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to curve a line that's going to come out, down, and up. I'm going to bring this out and down to here. And then I'll bring this line down and then up. And there you go. There is your drawing of Craftycorn. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.